Good morning, my YouTubers. That shaking should stop. Let me see if I can. Even my camera's got oscillation. So I have the camera stand hanging like from the air with a wire holding it, and then I have two guide wires come out the side. Today we're gonna make a little 555 oscillator circuit. Got a potentiometer, got the 80,000 volt car coil, got 12 volt battery, got a Corona, last night's Corona, got the wheel, got a PMH, got a breadboard. So let's go ahead and make up these circuits, and we're gonna play with these magnets a little bit. I guess we could start off by building an oscillator circuit off the potentiometer so we can control the pulses through the 555, and we'll hook that up. 555, I guess it'll only be about 3 volts maybe coming through the 555, so we could send it to a transistor. So I got this transistor here that handles 1200 volts, 150 amps. I guess we could mess with that. We'll start off with low voltage going through it, see how it acts. We'll do like 6 volts, 12 volts maybe. Then we got the 3055. That's Mr. Steady Eddie. And then we got I think this is a tip 32, I think. We could, we'll come out of the 555, we'll go into one of these. Maybe we'll try each one, I don't know. I gotta work today, so I gotta see how much time I got. Then we'll use this gate opening and shutting, and we'll throw 12 good solid volts. We'll go into a set of magnets here, and we'll see how she reacts on magnetic pulls. We'll check it with the 1.5" stock, Mr. Ed Leedskalnin style. So right now, that's a lot of weight right there. So these magnets, from me goofing off with these coils, they got stronger. So that's living proof. That's a whole lot of damn iron, a lot of weight too. So, all right, to the 555. Where is my pack of 5s? I think that's the only thing I didn't pull out. Is my 555. Come out wherever you are. Yep, that's what happens. Misplaced. I needed that little pack of 555s because where did they go? Got some glass. Yep, that's how this day is gonna go, huh? So I decided to turn the music off because some countries, they won't even let that stuff be downloaded to go in some countries. So that means I just stop using the music. I like to hear the music though, so it's kind of like infringing on my good space. All right. Seriously. What did I do with you guys? I know they're right in front of my face. Oh, there you are. I know I'm gonna find them. Bam. Alright, I got a little pack of fives. So when you guys mess with these 555s, make sure you go and look for that little notch. That's the top. So over here will be the negative side, and that'll be the positive side. This will be pin 1, and it goes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For you you guys out there, it's good to know about your 555. Nice little timer chip. So I'm going to take the 555 and I'm going to go ahead and split it on this breadboard here. You can see I just split it through both ends. This side will be the positive, this will be the negative, and that's where pin 1 is. Okay, so I just got these jumpers, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to do pin 1 goes to the negative rail. And pin 2, we're going to jump over to pin 4, 5, pin 6. So 2 and 6 go together. And then we're going to, let me see, on 2. So on 2 we're going to take a resistor. I think that's a 10K. Gonna come out of the positive rail, and we're gonna go to pin number 7. Pin number 7. So that's getting a resistor. Pin number 7. Alright, so from there, I'm going to take an alligator clip. Ooh, not with that wire. That wire has seen some field action. So on the potentiometer, there's 3. Really, you need to be looking at it, I guess, like this. But there's 3 connections, and when you hold the potentiometer towards you like this, you will use this as the in, the positive. This is the negative in the very end, and this here in the middle is your adjusted speed from this knob. So you're coming out with this and go into something. We'll do some cool stuff. I have a little buzzard here. Hopefully it still works. And we'll come off of this 555 and check it with sound on its little thing. So I'm going to come off of that with the input to the potentiometer. Going to grab another one of these, and on number 7 here, we're going to come out of 7, which is the same row as the resistor going into the plus, and 7 is going to go to the one end of the potentiometer, to like the end of the potentiometer. Then we're going to have another jumper come up on 2, row 2, and we're going to go to the output of the potentiometer. So pretty much in the potentiometer, we went in from the positive side, and we're coming out on the negative side. And we're going to grab another jumper, which just happens to be yellow. And there's the connection for that. Now we're going to grab we need capacitor. So grab this capacitor, and if you do or don't know, the longer one is the positive, the shorter is the negative. So I'm putting the positive on 2 and the negative in the negative rail. Alright, so you guys got that? Now we're going to take another short little one, live cam, St. Vincent House. We're going to come out of pin 3, and we're just going to leave that. That's the signal out. And then we're going to come off of pin 4, and we're going to go over to the positive with that. Pin 5 will have nothing. Pin 6 is connected back to 2. Pin 7 is the potentiometer, and pin 8 we didn't get to is going to be the plus to the 555 coming out of the plus rail. So that's our oscillator circuit. Let's give it a little test run, guys. Let's see if we have made magic or not. For you guys that haven't done this, I hope this video helps you, because in my search of learning how to mess with stuff like this, good morning, it was hard for my brain to have a video who helped me in one-stop shop to figure this out, but I eventually got it. So we're going to hook up the negative to the negative rail. We're going to come out of the signal out. I'm going to send that to a bus.